Happy learning. Learn with happiness. Let's learn domestic animal names part 2. First one. This is dog. This is dog. This is dog. What is this? This is dog. Good. Now next one. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a cat. Your turn. What is it? A cat. Excellent. Now next one. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. This is a rabbit. Your turn. What is this? A rabbit. Amazing. Now next one. This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a cow. Your turn. What is this? A cow. Cow gives us a milk. Good. Now, next one. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a camel. Your turn. What is it? It is a camel. Outstanding. Now next one. This is a goat. This is a goat. This is a goat. Your turn. This is a goat. Very good. Now next one. This is ox. This is ox. This is ox. What is this? Your turn. This is a ox. Nice one. Now next one. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. This is a sheep. Your turn. What is this? A sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Amazing. Now next one. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is a horse. What is this? This is a horse. Beautiful animal. Now, next one. This is a buffalo. This is a buffalo. This is a buffalo. What is this? A buffalo. Very good. Excellent. Now, let's revise once again all domestic animals part 2. This is a dog, a cat, a rabbit, a cow, a camel, a goat, an ox, a sheep, a horse, and last a buffalo. Nice, very good. You all have done a great job. Amazing. Outstanding work. Here is a shining star like you. Well done. Thank you for watching.